21 habits of people who keep their homes extremely clean. We've all been in that one house that looks like it came straight out of a magazine. You get an invitation to visit a friend's home, and the minute you walk through the door, your eyes are met with organization paradise. Well, that's because these types of people have amazing habits when it comes to keeping their homes clean. Before we begin this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more daily tips like this and turn on notifications so you never miss our new videos. A lot of people take pride in how clean and organized their homes can be. Sometimes it takes a little whimsy to be able to pull it off, but most of the time all it takes is a little elbow grease, some easy solutions, and willingness to declutter your life. A worst case scenario situation is if someone has a home like one of those hoarder homes that you see on reality TV. If this is the case, they should always seek additional help from a medical professional. Cleaning a home like that would no doubt become a traumatic experience for the owner. For the most part, it's easier than ever to clean and organize your living space. There are countless ideas on the internet that you can consult, and we hope to provide you with some of those ideas here. Now, keep watching for 21 habits of people who keep their homes extremely clean, and make sure that you stick around till the very end to find out the #1 surprising cleaning habit that you probably didn't know about. Number 21, everything should have its place. A clean and organized home is a happy home. If you find that your living spaces, whether it be your kitchen, bathroom, bedroom, living room, or office, are getting too cluttered, a great way to reduce that clutter is to designate a space for each and every item. If there isn't room for it, ask yourself, how badly do I need this? Chances are that you'll have no problem tossing it or donating it to charity. Number 20, utilize your dishwasher. A dishwasher can be used to wash a great deal more than just your dishes. Take your air vent grates, for example, or perhaps an old floor mat. The dishwasher creates great sanitizing temperatures that clean bacteria and grime from virtually any surface. It's especially great for children's toys. However, always check your product's manual before putting foreign objects not intended for the dishwasher in it. Number 19, use a sock to clean window blinds. A sock is a fantastic way to catch all the dust and soot buildup that has been accumulating on your window blinds. It's relatively malleable, so it will fit in your hand quite nicely. Use it to even clean hard-to-reach areas like corners and under the sofa. Number 18, lint rollers rock. A lint roller really is your best friend. Not only are these little handy tools amazing for pulling unwanted lint and fibers off your jacket, it's also a fantastic way to clean that stubborn collection of dust off your lampshade. Can you think of any other clever way to use a lint roller? I'm sure there's a ton out there. Number 17, clean your kitchen knife holders. Believe it or not, those little kitchen knife holders can contain a lot of crumbs, debris, and residue if not cleaned regularly. To do this, you'll need to purchase a can of air from any major retail department store, but to save money, a high-powered air dryer with that nose attachment will do just as well. Know about any of these cleaning hacks yet? Keep watching for some even more amazing cleaning hacks. Number 16, wash your shower curtains. You wouldn't believe how many people's homes have a great deal of soap scum and residue on their shower curtains. Most curtains are easily detachable and machine washable. Can you remember the last time you washed your shower curtain? If it's beyond mending in terms of buildup, perhaps it's time to purchase a new shower curtain altogether. Number 15, toilet paper rolls make great vacuum attachments. Do you have a hard-to-reach place that no vacuum attachment can seem to reach? Grab yourself an old paper towel roll or toilet paper roll. You can shape it into any crevice, especially those hard-to-reach windows and door cracks. Number 14, turn on your AC while dusting. Turning on your air conditioning unit, if you have a small portable one rather than central air, is a great way to get airflow while you're dusting your shelves. The AC will suck up the air in your home and push it out the window. However, if you intend to clean out your AC, turning it off is a more appropriate solution. Number 13, using baskets and trays to organize clutter. A great way to eliminate things floating around your kitchen counter is to designate a basket or a tray for one corner of your kitchen. If what you seek cannot fit in this tray, then into the cupboard it goes. There's no need to have absolutely everything out all the time. Only the essentials. Number 12, duct tape and a paint roller. Duct tape wrapped neatly around an old paint roller is a fantastic way to collect and remove any unwanted pet fur. This is especially useful on fabrics such as velvet or corduroy, where pet hair is really tricky to get out. You can also use this to get rid of stuck-on dust bunnies in the underside of couches or a bed frame. Number 11, tape your pet bowls down. Tired of your messy cat or dog spilling their food everywhere? A great way to prevent this is to tape the bowl directly to the ground. This will also help your animal properly consume their meal without having their bowl sliding all over the place. Number 10, grapefruit and salt. Grab a large grapefruit and a package of coarse sea salt and cut the grapefruit in half. Add a good deal of coarse sea salt into the fleshy part of the fruit and presto, you have yourself a great sink cleanser. This will leave your kitchen smelling absolutely amazing, and the salt, combined with the acidity in the fruit, will cut through the dirt and the grime. You could also use a lemon or an orange if you'd prefer. Number 9, organize your cleaners. Tired of sifting through cupboards for every manner of cleaning product? Get one of those shoe organizing door hangers and use them for bottles of cleaning spray instead of shoes. Chances are you already have one of those lying around in your house somewhere. Why not repurpose it? Number 8, a tension bar under the sink. Similarly to the shoe organizer, you can also use a tension bar under your kitchen sink to properly store all of your spray nozzle cleaning supplies in a nice organized manner. You can also fasten hooks to the bar and add alternative products that aren't so easy to hang. Number 7, giant Tupperware and garbage. There's nothing worse than someone offering you a ride someplace and their car is filled with garbage. We can't imagine anything more embarrassing than having to push aside a chocolate bar wrapper, coffee cups, and cans of soda out of the way to allow your passenger to sit down. A great way to reduce clutter in your car is by adding a large Tupperware container meant for cereals or pasta. Line it with a garbage bag and seal it with a top lid. Number 6, use your squeegee. Another amazing use for a squeegee is to use it to clean your carpets from unwanted hair and debris. A squeegee adds enough friction and abrasive pull that it will suck any animal fur, human hair, lint, and dust bunnies out of your carpet. Seriously, try it. You'll be amazed with the results. Number 5, magical toothpaste. Toothpaste is a fantastic way to keep your teeth clean. But did you know that you can also use it to clean off old foggy headlights on your vehicle? The results are staggering. Just apply some toothpaste to a thick brush, not wire, put a little elbow grease on, and go to town. Number 4, use your power tools. A great way to reduce time on scrubbing that stubborn bathtub of yours is to utilize a drill with a special scrub brush attachment. Keep your tools away from the water as much as possible, but this is a fantastic way to get through tough grime on your tiles without putting in the extra elbow grease. Number 3, no more Swiffer sheets. Use a cloth. An old towel or cloth on the bottom of your Swiffer works just as well, if not better, than the static cling sheets the company provides. Not only is this a great way to save money, but it's a very good way to save the environment from excess waste as well. For a wet job, simply dampen the towel before using. Number 2, tinfoil. A really fun way to help cut down on cleanup after painting your home is to line your paint tray with tinfoil. A thick layer should prevent any paint from reaching the tray itself, which will help preserve it for future use. Now, if you're really cheap, you might be able to return the tray to the store, but you didn't hear that from us. And now, here is the number 1 cleaning hack that you probably didn't even know about. Number 1, coffee filters. Chances are you have a stack of old coffee filters laying around that you will never use. Well, One way to utilize those suckers is to wash your windows and electronics with them. Coffee filters naturally reduce streaks when used to clean shiny surfaces. They are also great static clings for dust. What are some of your favorite cleaning hacks? Let us know in the comment section below. Enjoyed this video? Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. And thanks for watching!